Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Wanderlightly Restore Body Balm. Now this has been lovingly handcrafted using shea butter, coconut oil and virgin hemp oil to deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. The other great thing about the body bar is that it's 100% plastic free, which means all the packaging that you see here can be either composted or recycled once you finish the product. Now it's really simple to use. You can use it anywhere on the body that you experience dryness or you want to add a little extra moisture. And I like to start by holding the bar in my hand just to warm the product up. And then you simply pop off the top and you push from the bottom so the bar comes up from the top. Now you only need a few mils, you don't need to push up too much, and then you just apply it directly to the skin. Now the natural warmth from your body will help to melt the product in, but you can also just take your other hand and massage it in for an even coverage and finish.